Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you about a breast cancer, that is Herceptin. Herceptin is a monoclonal antibody which has a receptor HER2 receptor in the breast cells. Herceptin receptor, it is a cancerous cell in breast. It causes metastasis and causes uncontrolled growth of HER2 receptor. Herceptin consists of API, that is trastuzumab, which has HER2 receptor binding sites. These in this pathway, receptors they undergo two types of pathway, that is mTOR pathway and MAP kinase pathway. And this is inhibited by uncontrolled actions of HER2s. Researchers have developed an antibody against this cancer, that is HER2 receptors. These go and bind to the receptors of breast cancer cells, and they help in inhibition of this pathway, that is MAP kinase and mTOR pathway. And the NK cells also will act with this, and they'll go and bind to the receptors and blast the cancerous cells, which is an advancement in this treatment.
So what did she say? We had a normal breast cancer cell or a normal breast cell will have the receptor HER2 receptor, okay? But a cancer cell, a breast cancer cell will have millions of HER2 receptor. So a normal cell will also have HER2 receptor, but when you take a breast cancer cell, you have millions and billions of the same receptor. Now what have the researchers done? They have built in a monoclonal antibody called as Herceptin, which has the API. What's the API? What did she say? Trastuzumab. Okay, that's the API in Herceptin. So what will Herceptin do? Herceptin will go and bind to these HER2 receptors, and in this way, inhibition of two pathways takes place. What are the two pathways? Yes, MAPK and mTOR. Okay, these are the two pathways which get inhibited and leads to what? What happens? Uncontrolled growth happens usually. But what happens when it's inhibited?
Stops the cell. Inhibit the growth.
Yes. So these cancer cells are not receiving enough signals, due to which a lack of nutrition happens, and eventually these cancer cells are going to die. Okay. Now, as an advancement to this treatment of Herceptin, what researchers have already done is they have also combined, or they have also made one end of the antibody having more affinity to NK cells. What is the full form of NK cells? Natural killer cells. And what is the function of natural killer cells? They are naturally going to kill any foreign substance, right? So, because Herceptin is a foreign substance, it's an antibody, these NK cells are coming and binding to Herceptin, and also it's advancing, it's showing a double action now. Okay, so cancer cells are eventually dying. Okay, so in this way, we can easily target which are the breast cancer cells and we can destroy them. Okay, clear? Any doubts? Good.